Good morning, students. Today we will be doing the fourth chapter of geography, agriculture. So we all know what is agriculture. Agriculture, whatever we cultivate in the land, in the fields, and we grow, and we get food from this through agriculture process. So these are like type process of agriculture. So what are the things that we have in this what is the process, and what are the activities we need to perform to cultivate something, to do the agriculture. So let's begin. So Gurpreet, Madhu and Tina were walking through the village where they saw a farmer tilling land. Means whenever we cultivate we have to do tilling, means जमीन को खुदाई करते हैं तभी then it will become soft. Then the farmers told them that he was growing wheat and had just added manure to the soil to make it more fertile. Means if we till and then we make it soft, then add some manure, then only it will become fertile. Otherwise the plants or whatever we grow will not grow well. So he told the children that the wheat would fetch a good price in a mandi, from where it would be taken to factories to make bread and biscuits from flour. So this is the process when we do agriculture. First we need to plant or sow in the soil, then only it will grow, then it will produce a lot of fruits and vegetables, then it will be proceeded to the market, then only from there we will get the economic, means whatever price that we have. So the formation from this plant to the finished products involves three types of economic activities. So from the beginning of the cultivation to the end, there are three stages. That means three types, three types of economic activities that we need to perform, and they are like primary, secondary, and tertiary activities. Okay, tertiary activities. So first one is primary activities. So in the beginning, what we need to do. In the beginning, what we have to, what is the process of this cultivation or agriculture. So the primary activities includes all those connected with extraction and production of natural resources. So whatever that includes means extracting the things that are separated from the production, that will be excluded from the original thing, that will the outcome of the in the final what we get. So that is all the extraction. That is very far from the thing that is original. So agriculture, fishing and gathering are the good examples of the primary level. Agriculture, fishing, doing all the creeping things and all, that is all the process of the primary level. So then secondary activities are concerned with the processing of these resources. Manufacturing of steel, baking of bread and weaving of clothes are examples of the activities. So after the second process, we get directly this baking of bread and all, because it is coming from the farm, then it is processed in the factories, then only it will become, we will make the baking bread or steel or manufacturing all the things, clothes and all. That is the second process that comes to the factory and performs its activity to get its final result. So the tertiary activities, with the final activities, what is that? Provide support to the primary and the secondary sectors. So to this both primary and secondary sectors or the activities, this tertiary activities that performs or supports in the production of the things. So the transport, trade, banking, insurance and advertising are some of the example of tertiary activities. So these are all three types of activities, economic activities, that we get value from it. Then the agriculture is a primary activity. It includes growing crops, fruits, vegetables, flowers and rearing of livestock. So agriculture is the first process. From there only we get all the things for our usage, what we for the human needs, what is necessary things that we get. And in the world, 50% of the persons are engaged in the agriculture. So in 50% of the in the world, there are 50% of the people are doing the farming and cultivating a lot of things, and that we see here. So two-thirds of the Indian population are still dependent on agriculture. So we see in India also so many farmers are depending on their crops. If sometimes the crops are not growing well, then they will be facing a lot of loss. So in India also we have a lot of people who depend upon agriculture. Then favorable topography of soil and climate are vital for agriculture activities. So topography means whatever the surface of the area, the earth surface, is this suitable for agriculture or not. That also depends upon the production of the things, or cultivating vegetables, fruits, whatever. The land on which the crops are grown is known as arable land. Means whatever the land which is very suitable for the growing of the plants are known as very suitable for plants. So it should provide everything: water, air, and the moisture of the soil should be good. Then only it will be getting well. Otherwise, it will not produce. So these are the activities that we saw, the production of the things that the three process there are of the agriculture.